The parking lot right now outside Dollar Tree, obviously. Hi guys, welcome back. I am in a different filming location. I'm in my car. I'm doing some shopping today and I thought, why don't I do a shop with me? I've never done this before, so I thought it would be fun to try. My daughter's with a babysitter, so I have some uninterrupted time. I've got a bunch of errands that I'm gonna run, so let's head inside. I'm in the parking lot right now outside Dollar Tree, obviously. Let's go see if we can find anything fun. Alright, I just opened up this box myself. This is, I guess, off-brand headbands. Perfect toiletries for travel. Taking 2 of these. New Band-Aid designs. Alright, so here is some of what I got. It's actually not that much, even though it looks big and bulky. I got some paper towels. When I can find the Bounty brand, I think that those are a pretty good deal. I got some of those Lucky Charms. As you saw in the store, I busted open the box. They didn't even have this unpacked yet, but it's family size. That's really awesome. And then I got some mugs. Let's see. I got one of the mom mugs. Is that what this one is? No. So I'm going to show you this one. I got one of those mom mugs that I showed you inside. And this is hard to do one-handed. I got a donut mug. I haven't seen this before. Let me know if you've seen this. So cute. I have a Dollar Tree mug problem. I love them. Super cute. Okay, I'm outside TJ Maxx now. I don't really need that much or anything. I'm looking for a Passover Seder dress for my daughter. If I can't find anything, that's fine. She can wear something she already has. And also she kind of needs some more tennis shoes. So I'll be looking for that, but I'm hoping to just run in and out. All right, I can't decide. Alright, okay, I'm gonna get both of these. So cute for summer. Okay, so guys, I just ran into a dollar store near me called Dollar Zone. I don't do hauls from there because they're not everywhere, but I found these. They're called Zorby's Monster Oozers. They're really hefty and substantial. I picked up 3. So I looked them up online and they're retailing at Walmart for like $12. So for just $1, this is an amazing deal. I've mentioned a few times in my videos that I stuck up on these $1 toys when I find good value ones. And then I've got a great collection for Toys for Tots. But this would also be great if you're the kind of mom that likes to stock up on toys and have them as birthday presents when your kid spontaneously gets invited to a party. These are absolutely perfect. I'm heading into Walmart now, ironically. One toy. How adorable. So cute. They have got the cutest kids' shoes, like just $5. I think I'm liking these though. So sweet, they're like little baby kids. Alright, so I got some really cute kids shoes at Walmart. I wanted to show you these because they're just $5. They're Geranimals. They're actually for little boys, but I like them for my daughter. They look like Vans. I do that all the time, buy her boy stuff. I think boy stuff is so cute on little girls. But those are great little casual tennis shoes. And then I got her these little brown sandals. We're going to be in warm weather soon and in situations where she'll be wearing a dress a few times, so I wanted some dressier sandals for her. And then I got her these little ballet slippers. How cute are these? And these were just $5.97, I think. Yeah, $5.87. That's a great price. And those are really cute for dresses. Such a sweet little shoe. And then I wanted to show you this dress. I think this is so sweet for summer, and it looks to me kind of like, are you familiar with those Hannah Anderson line of clothes? They do really pretty cotton PJs and dresses for kids, and it's a pricey line of clothing, and this looks just like that brand, and this is $4.97. Can't beat it, guys. Alright, so I got a Starbucks little coffee break. Needed the caffeine. I wanted to tell you guys, if you have not tried this before, you should definitely try it. This is the Starbucks Nitro. It's by far my favorite drink that they have. It's not the same as the regular cold brew, so don't be fooled. This is like heads and tails better. Yeah, it's really delicious. And I ordered it with the sweet cream, so you just say Nitro sweet cream. And this, oh my god, it's like totally amazing. It's not sweet at all, so don't let the sweet cream fool you. It is delicious. Alright, I'm at Target now, the dollar spot. How cute. These are $5. It's like a gardening basket. How cute is this? Alright guys, so I just finished up in Target. I got that Dumbo tank top that I showed you, super cute. And I picked this up. This is actually what I went to Target for. I just got my daughter the Little People Disney Princess Castle, and I wanted to get her the little dolls to go with it. And this was really hard to find. I was searching online. No one really had it, but I saw that Target had it, so I went in to see if they did, and there it is. She's gonna love that. And I got her this little Johnny Cash t-shirt. How adorable. This was on sale for just $6, and this was in the boy section. So once again, I'm picking her up boy clothes. I do it all the time. Like, I would pair this with pink floral leggings to kind of make it a little more feminine, but I think little girls in boy clothes is so cute. So that was my day. It's time to go get my daughter. I've been out for about 3 hours. It's really nice to be able to get to do errands by myself. I don't get to do it that often, and it was fun to bring you guys along with me. Let me know in the comments if you liked this so I know to do more videos like this. This is a new experience for me. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I do super simple projects every single week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.